What's going on, guys? We are going to Universal. Yes, everybody get excited. We're going to Universal. Right now, I gotta go get some gas at Cusco and then I feel like eat some Cusco food. I mean, like, I'm starving. I just got back from Cusco. I just wanted to review the food because I was starving, and I just got this cheese pizza. Look at this fucking cheese pizza. Holy fuck, that's good. Don't sleep on Cusco. I would have to rate this like probably like 8.5. Second thing, I got a second thing. This vanilla ice cream. I saw on TikTok, you get like this big ass cookie they got. Like a piece of the cookie and you like put it inside the ice cream, but I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna put it on top like this. Bone apple tea. Look at that, look at that. That's so fucking good. Guys, TikTok was right. That shit was actually bomb as fuck. Definitely like a 9.5. Like that was really fucking good. We finna head to Universal right now, so I'll meet y'all when I get there. What's going on, guys? We just made it to Universal. Yo, there's so many people here. Like, the thing of how many people are here, but it's like Florida, so it's always packed here. It's not raining that bad right now, so I'm excited to see what we're gonna be able to ride or go to. But oh my god, that shit's so loud. It's super loud because of that thing in the background. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to the Mummy ride right now. So right now we're in the Harry Potter world. Cue the B-roll. And it started pouring on us. But I'm gonna go try some bird beer right now, so see y'all then. What's going on, guys? We're about to try this butter beer. I just got it, Harry Potter. It looks pretty good. Let's try this bird beer. Got my straw right here. We're gonna rate it 1 through 10. And the last ride we just went on was the Mummy, and honestly, since I'm rating every single ride, this is money. This is really good. The Mummy ride, which is the first ride we went on, I'm gonna rate it probably like an 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty good for like days that it's raining, but it gets so crowded that like the wait just becomes unbearable. And I'm gonna be rating every single ride I go on here, and it's gonna go from 1, which is like the worst, like you shouldn't even ride it, it's not worth your time, to 10, which is like you have to ride it if you come to Universal. Like if you don't, you're missing out. And then 5 is just your run-of-the-mill. Like if you ride it, it's nice, but it's not a must, but it's not bad either. And we're gonna go on Escape from Gringotts next. I'm gonna have to rate that one probably like a 7 out of 10, because it's good, but it's not like the best. Like it's more like storytelling. So it was good though. You should definitely ride it. Now we're gonna go ride Men in Black, and then I'm gonna rate Men in Black. And what's going on, guys? We just got off of Men in Black, and honestly, Men in Black is like a 3 out of 10 for me. Like a 3. Men in Black is honestly like a 3 out of 10 for me, because like it's not that good, but like it's pretty good. So definitely go on it if you ever get a chance. 10. And yeah, we're gonna go to the Minions stuff, probably get some of the Minion popcorn and stuff, see what that's about. But I'll catch y'all over there. What's going on, guys? We just made it to the Minions part, like that I showed earlier. We got like banana popcorn, and then we also have this drink, which I find crazy, and I really want to try it. Honestly, y'all, I don't know how to explain it. It kind of tastes like grape Fanta, and then they also have this like weird, like almost like frosting on the top. I don't know how to like describe the flavor other than like it's purple flavored. Like, is it good? Yeah. Is it $8 worthy? Debatable. I think if you just get the drink itself, I mean the cup is pretty cool. I might steal the cup, but like I think if you just get the drink itself, it's pretty good. But if I had to rate it with the cream and the dip and the Pop Rocks, I mean, I'm not the biggest Pop Rocks fan. I would rate it probably like a 7 out of 10 without the Pop Rocks and the icing. And if it was just a little bit cheaper, like $5, I would definitely rate it at like an 8 out of 10, even maybe a 8.5. Now, time for the banana popcorn or whatever. I don't know if we can focus on it. All right, let's see what this tastes like. It's supposed to just taste like bananas. You know the Minions. You know what? That's actually pretty good. It's definitely like savory. It definitely does taste like banana, but it also tastes like popcorn. It has this like weird outer shell. Anyways, y'all, I would definitely rate the popcorn like, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like it a lot. I'm gonna do like a 8 out of 10 for the popcorn. All right, y'all, we're gonna go on Rocket real quick. I just got off a Rocket. It was super good. That's a 10 out of 10. That's the one I'm looking at right now. Honestly, y'all, if you come to Universal, you have to go on Rocket. It's the best ride here. Like, anyways, y'all, it was fun. Didn't do that many rides, didn't do much, but if y'all liked the video, if y'all want me to go rate every single ride here, like and comment if you guys want to see me like go to every single ride at Universal, like both parks, and rate every single one of them in a tier list. But other than that, y'all, that's gonna be the vlog. That was Universal. Hope y'all have a fantastic day, and yeah, stay tuned for the next vlog.